Na they have learned to associate you with food. And pagka nasa food mode sila, well, snakes in the wild, they don't have time to think. Lalo na pagka yung prey item nila ay mabilis lumipad, mabilis makaalis, and sila mabagal, diba? So, strike first, think later ang peg ng mga yan. So, if you notice na sobrang tindi ng eye contact ng alaga mo sa'yo, or especially sa hands mo, that might be a sign na hindi sila excited nakita ka, but rather excited silang kumain. This happened with one of my hognose snakes, Cupcake. So, tuwang-tuwa ako. Nakasang ko siya. Akala ko binabati niya lang ako. Within a few seconds, ayun, kinagat na ako ng gaga. But other times, it is interesting as well to see ano ba yung nagka-catch ng attention nila. Lalo na when they do the behavior called periscoping. Periscoping, most commonly found, I think, sa ball pythons is when they stick their necks up. Yes, ang neck nila is mga 1/3 ng body nila magmula sa ulo. So when they stick their necks up, para sila nakatower na CCTV because they find something in particular na interesting, kaya ganun din katindi yung pagtingin nila. And that is why they feel the need to elevate themselves in a higher position para mas matignan pa nila ano yung bagay na nakakapukaw ng interest nila. So, it's very interesting and also very cute pagka